gardener and his girlfriend Rose.
Oh dear, little gardeners, I have a big problem. Something has happened to my plants. I don't know what could have made them like this. Oh dear, I'm going to need some help.
Hi, Gary. I think I know what's happened. I can help.
High five.
Ha! I thought so. Egg has destroyed your plants, Gary.
What are we going to do to stop him, Buzz?
Let me think. Don't think Zeg likes water, Gary.
Let's ask Leaky to help us. Can you find him, Buzz?
Of course I can. I'm Buzz Lightyear. To infinity and beyond. We need your help, Leaky, to stop ZURG.
Oh no, I don't think I can do it, Buzz. That frightens me. Oh.
Come on, Leaky, you can do it. Buzz says that ZURG is frightened of water and you can stop him destroying all of our plants.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was frightened, but I'll try to be brave and help stop ZURG. I know my water makes the plants grow, but now I must use my water to stop ZURG.
The trouble is, everyone, ZURG has gone into hiding, so we must all go and look for him.
Ha! I think I hear Leaky stomping towards me. I'll have to hide from them all.
I think he's over there.
Oh no!
Okay,
Buzz,
we're coming over right away.
He's escaped again.
Oh no! If we don't find him soon, he'll destroy all the plants in the garden. Oh no!
Oh no, we can't have that.
No, definitely not. Can't have that.
I can save the day with my Buzz Lightyear gun. Follow me, everyone.
We're right behind you, Buzz.
Yes, Buzz, we'll find ZURG together. Come on, Leaky, keep up.
I'm going as fast as I can, but I'm full up with water.
They'll never find me. I'm too clever for Buzz Lightyear. They are all fools. Ha 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 ha!
Quick, everybody. I think I hear Zeg laughing.
Shh! Leaky!
Shush.
Hooray! Buzz thinks he's found ZURG.
Shush.
Oops, sorry.
Ha ha, fools! I knew they wouldn't be able to find me. Ha 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 ha!
There's ZURG. Quick, everyone. Let's get
Quick, Leaky, spray ZURG to stop him escaping again.
I'm going to be brave. I'm going to be brave. I'm going to stop ZURG destroying Gary's plants.
Too late! ZURG has flown off.
That's because Leaky was brave and frightened ZURG away.
Hooray!
Hooray! Well done, Leaky.
You were done right.
I knew you could do it, Leaky! Okay, Gary, I fixed the plants what were damaged. Yes, you've done well, Leaky. Here's your medal.
Well done, Leaky. You were so brave and scared away ZURG.
Ooh, I wish I was getting a medal, Leaky. But then again, you deserve it, Leaky.
Oh, thank you, guys. I feel so proud, and I've never received anything like this before.
Well done, everyone, and thank you, Buzz, for coming to help us. We are all Team Green.
Oh, Team Green.
Team Green.
Hooray!
Gary the gardener and his girlfriend Rose, they dig, plant and sow the ground to make the garden grow. They sing as they go with a hey-dee, hey-dee, ho. If you need to know what to plant and where and when, just follow Gary's help list from numbers 1 to 10. Gary is the man to ask, he'll tell you what to sow.